How to become a Grabfood rider. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to become a Grabfood rider. First, open up your web browser and type Grab Rider in the search bar. Now, tap on this link. To apply, make sure you're at least 18 years old. You will need a smartphone with internet, a valid driver's license for a motorcycle or bicycle, and a vehicle that meets Grab standards. Here, you can see the advantages, such as choosing when, where, and how often you want to make deliveries. Next, tap on the Sign In button. After that, you'll be asked to fill out an application form. This form typically requires personal information, such as your name, contact details, and address. You also have to provide information about your vehicle and upload documents such as your ID, driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance. Once approved and ready to go, you can start accepting delivery requests through the Grab app and earn money as a Grabfood rider. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.